Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to hide likes on Instagram Reels in 2023. Now to start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to Instagram.com. Wait for the website to load this time. Now once Instagram loads, you will now be in your timeline. Just refresh the website this time so that you can see everything. Once it has refreshed, this time click on the lower right of your profile to view your profile. Now click on the Reels icon in the center, the one with the play button. Now click on the Reels that you want to hide the likes with. Now click the three dots on the upper right near your username. Then tap on the AA words on the lower left. This time, tap on Request Desktop Website. Wait for the website to load again this time. Once done, click on the three dots near your username once again, and then this time, click on Hide Like Count. And that's it. The like count should now be hidden from your Instagram Reel. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment as well.